So over here, you can see that I have this particular shape right here, a 3D shape. I can go ahead and click and drag it to go ahead and resize out the shape as I please. But let's say I want to go ahead and add in a bit of a detail right here in this shape. In that case, you can go around over here onto shapes, and then let's say, for example, draw on top of the existing shape right here, just like this. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and use the push pull tool right here to push or pull out the content as you please right here, just like this. You can go ahead and pull this out, push this in, as you can see right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and utilize line tool around over here as well to go ahead and create out a shape like this within a particular shape, and then I can go ahead and push or pull it out as I want, as you can see right here. So apart from that, you have a lot of tools, like let's say, for example, you got circle around over here as well, so you can go ahead and make that in, and then go ahead and use the push or pull tool right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and use the line tool or rectangular tool and different tools that are available over here in SketchUp to go ahead and create a shape as you please, and then add in the details by pulling or pushing it in. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.